Hello everybody, welcome back to Ed and Heather's Kitchen. It's been a while, but I've been playing, plus I've got other things going on. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Oh yeah, I'm going to show you how to cook something, but I'm also going to be doing a review on a toy that I have. So let's get started. Okay everybody, here it is. It's a NuWave Oven. This one's NuWave Pro Plus. I'm not sure what all the differences are. This uses convection, has a blower in it. It also uses direct heat, infrared. I'll take the top off. You should be able to see the heater coils in there, and there is a fan. Now, this thing actually has impressed me. It does what it's supposed to do. It does what it's advertised to do for a lot of different foods. Tonight, what we're going to make is we're going to make steak. Now we'll open it up. I've got a nice sirloin here. Now this isn't as fast as a grill. This thing is set for 350 degrees. That's a standard setting. All you're going to do is you're going to hit cook time, 9 minutes, and hit start. Now that's for side one. I'll bring you back when we flip the steak. Alright, that's the end of the first 9 minutes. I'm going to hit clear. Oh, look at that. That looks good. I'm just going to flip this over. There we go. And we're going to go for another 9 minutes. So, I'll be back. Okay, so this steak is done. Hit clear. Oh, you can't smell that, but oh, it smells good. Now, I'm going to put some butter on it. I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll be back. Hey everybody, welcome back. It has been 5 minutes. Let's cut this in half, take a peek. Oh wow, yeah, that's good. That's perfect. Now, as always, I have to do a taste test, and of course the boss has to do a taste test. Look at that. It wants to shred. Alright. That's just perfect. Here, you try that. And you tell me what you think. I'm getting a thumbs up. Alright everybody, that's it. That's what I think. Oh, and by the way, I'm not sponsored by NuWave. And I just happened to pick this up and give it a try. So, we'll be back. Not sure when, not sure what we'll make, but it's going to be good. Until then, play with your food.